Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today, let's make a simple but a fabulous dal. It's called Dal Palak or Palak Dal. Let's begin. Before we begin making the Dal Palak, let's do some cutting and chopping. For that, we begin with some onions. Let's chop this roughly. Along with this, some green chilies. Well, you can choose to increase or reduce the spice quotient. That's a complete personal choice. With this, some ginger. Well, you could also choose to add in some garlic or a combination of ginger and garlic, but I prefer ginger for this recipe. Let's heat a deep pan and add in some ghee. Allow this to heat on high flame, and in the interim, let's chop a tomato. Once the ghee begins to heat, let's add in cumin seeds. Once these begin to splutter, some asafoetida or hing, and immediately let's slide in the onions, chilies and ginger. Saute this on high flame till the onions kind of turn translucent and the raw flavor of ginger goes away. Time to add in the powder spices. Let's first begin with red chili powder, followed by turmeric powder or haldi. And for flavor, I'm adding in roasted Coriander Seeds Powder. Give that a good mix, rather a quick one. Time to add in the boiled lentils or the dal. Give this a stir and add in the tomatoes followed by salt. Time to start shredding some fresh leaves of spinach. Well, especially in a dal like this, ensure that the salt is in check. If you've added salt already while cooking the lentils, ensure that the salt is absolutely in check, because spinach is also a vegetable that contains some salt. While the dal is getting cooked, let's add in the shredded spinach. At this point in time, it looks like a lot of spinach, but trust me, a dal palak would taste nice when of course there's lots of spinach. Also, it's going to shrink, and then you get the most perfect dal palak. After boiling this on high flame for roughly a minute, the palak dal is done and ready. Let's transfer this in a bowl, and this goes amazingly well with a bowl of steamed rice. Well, palak is in season, and it's of course winters here in India. So try this, make this for your family and friends, and serve this, like I said, with a bowl of hot steamed rice. A lot of protein in there. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.